Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your car's engine oil. Checking your car's engine oil is a very simple task and it will only take a minute for you to do it. The correct engine oil level is essential to ensure proper lubrication and functioning within the engine. Let me show you the 3 important steps to properly check your car's engine oil. The first step is to ensure the car is parked on a level surface. This will ensure the oil reading is correct on the dipstick. The second step is to always check the engine oil on a cold engine. Do not start the car at least 8 to 9 hours prior to checking the engine oil. This will enable all the oil to collect in the oil sump for correct level on the dipstick. The third step is to pull the dipstick out, wipe the base of the dipstick using a tissue paper and put the dipstick back in the engine. Let it sit for a few seconds and pull it out again. Every dipstick will have 2 dots, one at the bottom and one at the top. If you do not have dots, you will have a serrated surface or some kind of marking on the dipstick. The oil level should always be near the top marking or the top dot. This will ensure sufficient engine oil is there in the engine. That's it friends on how to check your engine oil. I hope you guys found this video informative. Please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to JRS Cars for more such car content. Thank you.